That's the best way to do it, is to catch them two at a time. But come on, pull it off the downrigger. It's not off. Pull it off the downrigger. Come on, Ted, yank it up. Yank it up. There you go. Now you can play with the fish.
Could be a good size one.
This guy trying to, it's at my pressure, giving me some kind of
That's right.
excitement.
Savor. Savor it. Do you realize we've caught almost all of our fish in this one little area?
Yeah.
Right here at the drop-off.
Yeah.
Ah, it's gone.
Ah, it's a keeper.
Yeah, I think I had two of them that were you fighting.
Oh, that's 15.
Oh, as soon as I almost over there, I stopped it. Almost like nothing.
Yeah? Okay.
14 and a half?
Oh, and he took the little one too.
I don't know. Something happened. Is it lured?
Yep. It's like a long tail.
Okay.